Hi guys, today we're gonna do the MSI package installation. First, we need to go to this site. Just go here. And then we're gonna install the Firefox MSI package. Once it's downloaded, we can just go to our VMware. The first thing that we're gonna do is create a folder for the file that we downloaded a while ago. Just hide our server manager for now. And now go to Player, Manage, and then install the VMware tools. Click Run Setup. And then we have to wait until it is done. Now just click Next. Then we're gonna choose the typical. And then click Next again. Then just click Install. Again, we have to wait. Just click Finish, and then there's a pop-up that we need to restart our computer. Just click Yes. And now we just have to log in again using administrator. Just go to our MSI package folder again, and then go to Properties. Click Sharing, and then the Net Advanced Sharing, and then check the Share This folder. Click Apply and then OK. Before doing anything else, we just go to our downloads and drag the MSI package that we downloaded a while ago. We're gonna put it in the folder that we just created. Now we can see here our MSI package. Now we will go to our server manager. Once it is open, click Tools and Group Policy Management. Just click our domains, then click the local, and then the group policy objects. Right click and then new, then we're gonna create a name. Then we're just gonna click now OK. We can see here our MSI package. Once we created our group policy object, we're just gonna click edit again. Click policies and then software settings. In here, we're gonna put our MSI package. Just click new and then package. We can find it by searching or going to the desktop and then we just have to locate it in the folder. Just click Advanced, OK. And now, here's our package. Click the local and link the existing GPO. Click the GPO that we created a while ago, the Firefox setup. After that, we're gonna restart our computer. Just log in again. And now we're gonna search for our CMD. Once it is open, we just have to type gp update then /force. Once it is done, it will automatically restart. We need to log in as administrator. And now we can see the MSI package that we downloaded, the Mozilla Firefox. We can choose not to import anything, but it is up to you. And now we're done. We can now see the MSI package that we installed.